Ever wondered why Kenmore washing machines are a household name? Let's dive into what makes them stand out in a sea of appliances. Kenmore, with its rich history and reputation for reliability and innovation, has become a trusted choice for households across the globe. Innovation and technology are at the core of Kenmore's appeal. With advanced features like smart technology, energy efficiency, and customized washing cycles, Kenmore sets the bar high. Its machines are built to last, providing consistent performance, as testified by satisfied users. Kenmore offers a diverse range of models, including top loaders, front loaders, and high-efficiency options. Each model comes with unique selling points such as steam cleaning, noise reduction technology, and large capacity for family use. To make the right choice, consider your lifestyle, laundry habits, and space. Kenmore's offerings stand out when compared to other leading brands, focusing on performance, price, and user feedback. Maximize your Kenmore experience with essential maintenance tips and troubleshooting solutions. Ensuring longevity and efficiency of the machine is key to a satisfying experience. In conclusion, Kenmore washing machines are a smart choice for modern households, offering durability, innovation, and performance. Consider Kenmore for your next washing machine purchase and experience their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Share your experiences with Kenmore washing machines in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides and reviews.